Welcome to CAE Crew Training, CAE's online platform for all of your training needs. If you don't have a CAE account yet, the experience starts with setting up your new user account. Simply follow the instructions in your Create Your CAE Crew Training Account email. Alternatively, you can create a CAE account by going to www.myportal.cae.com. Enter your email and request to reset your password. You will then receive a verification code email. Please also check your spam folder for this email and follow the instructions. Now you successfully created your CAE Crew Training account and can start your journey with us. Today and tomorrow, we make sure you're ready for the moments that matter.